Hey, welcome back, Hot Wheel lovers. Welcome back to 1/64 scale racing. Today we're going to be unboxing another 5-pack 2023 car meet. Let's get started. First up, we got a custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. White with stripes, white wheels. Anyway, that's custom 18 Ford Mustang GT. Next, we got the Big Air Bel Air. This is something like a gasser. Looks like it got mud grip tires on it. Must be something for the desert racing. But anyway, that's the Big Air Bel Air. Next, we got the Arista Rat. It's a rat rod. Anyway, that's the Arista Rat. Next, we got a 13 COPO Camaro. Yellow with a black stripe. Little red pin striping. Oh, that's the 13 COPO Camaro. Next up, we got Muscle and Blown. Muscle and Blown. Not really sure what kind of car it is. But anyway, that's the Muscle and Blown. That's all of the 2023 car meet. Please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos, all my other 5-pack openings and unboxings. Please like and subscribe. And we'll see you guys later. Thanks. Bye.